Hello, and welcome to my tutorial video on how to use Animoto, presented to you by yours truly, Robin Ine. What is Animoto? Animoto is a free digital tool used to create videos with a professional appeal. One can take photos and video clips and make them come to life. Why use Animoto? Animoto can be used to create video presentations, to create slide presentations, to promote products, new books, authors, promote book fairs, and more. You can use Animoto to create storyboards, and it is a wonderful way to document student work and also to display their portfolios. Why not choose Animoto to showcase students' work in the classroom or in the library? Animoto is a very engaging tool, like I stated, to use in the classroom or the library. When using Animoto, it will be a great tool to use with my intermediate students, which are the 3rd through the 5th grade students. I would like to use Animoto to create a book talk or a book review by promoting a new book. This is the AASL standards that I would use, which is to collaborate and to engage students. As you can see, I'm not going to go through the entire standards, but you can use it as a variety of communication tools and resources. And for engage, you can use it as a variety of communication tools and resources also to engage. For the DCPS standards, for media, students can create presentations including graphics using computer technology. For the 3rd grade English language standard, the standard that is best for us to use is create engaging audio recordings of stories or poems that demonstrate fluid reading at an understandable pace. Add visual displays when appropriate to emphasize or enhance certain facts or details. This is the ITSE standards. For a creative communicator, students choose the appropriate platforms and tools for meeting the desired objectives of their creation or communication. Students publish or create content that customizes the message and medium for their intended audiences. These are the references that I use to create my presentation. Now let's get started. We're going to go to Animoto and create an educator's account. So, for you to create your account, I would suggest that you use your educational email. I'm going to log in. And I'm going to go to create. And these are the templates on the left side. I would like to create a book talk, so I can go to all templates, or I can go to book report. And because I want to do a book talk, I'm going to choose create or choose template. I'm going to show you how to upload a picture. So I can either choose from stock, I can choose a picture that they offer, and I can drag and drop, or I can upload my own picture. And I said I wanted to do a book talk. So I'm going to upload a character by the name of Jordan Banks to promote a book titled The New Kid. So again, drag and drop. In order to change the text, I'll click in the text box. I'll highlight the text and I'll type in New Kid. you can't see it, so I'm going to change the color to red, and I'm going to complete the same steps by Jerry Craft is the author of New Kid. And I'm going to change the text to red so that we can see it. If you would like to move this box, you can click and drag this box and move it where you would like. If you want to change the design, the background, you can click on Design. Let's say you wanted to choose this design setting. Click on that, and you can see that it's changed over here, and you can close it. If I wanted to change the layout, let's go to another slide. Let's change the layout of the second slide. We choose this option right here, change layout. And here are our options to change our different layouts. Okay. Let's change it maybe. And you can see that our layout has changed. If you would like to view all of your slides, you can go to Grid View. And you can drag and drop if you wanted to rearrange the slides, put them in different order, or you can also delete a slide that you don't want in Grid View. Now let's go back. Let's say I wanted to change the clip size. 5 seconds is not enough, long enough. Or if I wanted to change it, make it shorter, I could do that. Or I can make it longer. And apply and write. Here you can see that I changed it to 6 seconds. Now let's change our music. So we'll click on Music. And we'll go to Instrumental. And these are the different options. I would like to choose this. And I'll click on the plus button to apply it. And as you can see, it is uploading. And if you would like, you can also play your video just to preview it. And this tells you that this takes about 15 seconds to preview your video. So as we're waiting, there we are. So let's close the preview. And just to show you what I created, I created a short video for you to see how it would look. So I created this short video to promote the New Kid to show you how you could use Animoto. Now, to share this video, you can click on the link. You can share it, and you can copy the link, copy it to the clipboard, back to shares. You can also upload it to YouTube, and you can see your different options. So I hope you enjoyed your tutorial on how to use Animoto to create wonderful video presentations. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at robin.ine@k12.dc.gov. Thank you for listening and looking.